So hello everyone, welcome back to another video in SQL series, and we are solving today another problem of SQL 50, which is the exchange sheets problem. So let's see how we will approach this problem and how we will solve. So it is saying that write a solution to swap the seat ID of every two consecutive students. If the number of students is odd, the ID of last student is not swapped. Okay, we have to order by ascending order. So let's select ID student, and so what we are doing is here it is saying that ID of last student is not swapped if it is odd. So to check if it is odd or not odd, we'll take the max of ID and we'll use it as a window function so that we do not have to add any group by or other things, and we'll get one result only. Okay, so max of ID over, by this condition we will get the max of ID whatever the value is. So we'll keep it is ID 1. Let's run this one. Okay, we have not specified from, so it will obviously some error will come. So okay, let's see what is the result. Okay, so you can see we have the ID, we have the student names, and we have the maximum of ID. So how we will solve this problem is, I was thinking earlier about this problem and I come up with this idea. So let's see. Select. So first thing is we will think about this last ID. So if ID equals, we have seen ID1 is the maximum value, so if it is odd then it should not be changed. Okay, so and ID percentile 2 not equals 0, then ID. Okay, so our second condition will write when ID percentile 2 equals 0, then if ID percentile 2 equals 0, then what we need to do, we need to minus one number. Then another condition, when ID percentile 2 not equals to 0, then what we need to do, ID plus 1 as ID. Okay, then we need to choose the student name and we will order by ID. Okay, so let us see what will happen now. Runtime error, incorrect syntax near keyword aren't. Okay, so we have not given the end here, which is necessary because we are writing a case when statement. So let's see if it is returning the desired result. Okay, again another syntax error, so I am missing something. Select. Okay, sorry for these silly mistakes. If you have watched my past videos also, I make a lot of silly mistakes that sometimes it happens like that. So okay, another syntax error. Okay, okay, select case when. Okay, I also don't know why I am making these mistakes very frequently, but it is okay because we are practicing, we are checking, and we are understanding what are the errors we can make. Okay, so another syntax error is there. Another syntax error, and we have not given this number. This table name alias, it is also necessary. So we made a tons of mistake. I think these mistakes should not be there as a responsible. So we have got an accepted result, and let us see what is the result. So 1 2 3 4 5, and our input was like this, and we got an output 1 2 3 4 5. So basically this thing we got: Doris, Albert, Green, Emerson, and James. Okay, so let us now submit. Okay, so here we got the result: accepted 703 milliseconds. So we got an accepted result, and that means our all test cases, it passed all test cases without any error. Okay, so I think you have learned something. This is the solution, and how to approach. Actually, if you are trying this for first time, it will take you a few minutes to think about it. It also took me a few minutes to think about it. Actually, I'm directly making a video, but before making the video, I also thought about it, how to do this, and some idea came up, and I came up with this. So if you have a better solution, please mention it in comments. Don't forget that, because this is a learning process, so everyone here to learn. If you have a better process, then of course you should post it, so that others can get an idea. Also I can get an idea that there is also one better solution, or we can do it in a better way. If you are watching this as a new person, please subscribe to the channel and like the video also. It will help me a lot, and it will be a motivation for me. If you have learned something, like video and comment also. If you have any doubts, also don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.